So through these 21 days, I'm going to support you. I'm going to teach you tools which can help you release the old that is limiting you, that is not allowing you to move ahead, and create or pull in what you want, what you desire in your life. We'll release it. Then we come into a state of complete balance. We maintain that balance within us. And then the third step being putting the seed, the right seed, the abundant seed, so that you reprogram your system to attract what you always want in your life. These are the steps that we are going to follow. And I'm going to have sessions in the morning and night. So morning sessions, we are going to discuss new concepts every day. We are going to align our mind and body through practices. In the night, we are going to relax, we are going to release and create a new energy for your tomorrow. Okay, this is how it's going to be. And every day, we are going to have various different meditations and yoga nidras which are going to help you release the old program within you and put in the new program, that is abundance, positive, health, wealth, amazing relations and happiness. Okay, whatever you want you can create using this tool, that is 21 days of abundance acceleration program. See you again.